everyone, it's Judy. Welcome back to Rose Lane. I'm actually giving you another update, but I figured instead of just staring at my hands doing nothing with flowers around it, I would do something. So I'm making some library pockets just to have a few. This is my template. Well, this is my template, and this is what I've done. I leave all my templates that I make with straight corners. That way, when I cut it out, if I want to round them, as I did, I can do that. I can, if I want to do fancy corners, you know, the punches or something, I can do that. So all my templates are always just straight corners, and then I do something else. So this was just file folder, as you can tell. So I'm just going to be gluing this stuff on and kind of getting this stuff ready to go, just so that I have a few for future projects while we are talking. So here is my new update. This is going to air tonight. It is Wednesday, September 8th, and this is going to air tonight. I will put it up, and tomorrow, Thursday, September 9th, I will be back in surgery again. With this last surgery that they did, I was doing good for the last couple, for the first couple of weeks or so, and then about at 2.5 weeks, late last Saturday night, I went to my husband and I said, I think I'm a little concerned. I said, I think I see some dark up in what would be to me my upper left corner, looking out from my face, up near the bridge of my nose. I said, I think I am seeing dark again, and I think I see the ripples, which is telling me that the retina is detaching again. So that was Saturday night. I called the doctor the following morning, which was Sunday, and he did call me, and my husband and I, as you know, we're pastors, so we were doing church. So he had us meet him at his office. This is a wonderful doctor who will come out on a Sunday, on a holiday weekend, and open up his office to see me. And so my glue does not want to come out. I'm going to have to try to unclog it a little bit. And he did an exam, and sure enough, the retina was starting to detach again. So they have made arrangements for me to have another surgery tomorrow. I think I probably mentioned in the last video that my problem is that I, for whatever reason, make too much scar tissue, and the scar tissue is forming in my eye, and it is pulling the retina away again. So that is what happened again, which frankly I'm surprised at because of having the buckle put in my eye. Probably do it this way. Having the buckle around my eye and having the silicone oil in my eye. Oh, I'm a little off. Well, you know what? That doesn't matter. Well, that matters, but that's okay. I can trim it. The buckle from the outside squeezing in, and the oil from the inside pushing out. And like I said, the oil does not, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'm just trying to trim my overhang here because I put it on crooked. But that part doesn't get seen, so we don't have to worry about that. The oil pushing from the inside for 6 months. I said that didn't break down like the gas would. Yeah, that looks okay because the pocket's going to go up. That'll be fine. Okay. Should have been, 6 months worth. I'm going to try to unclog my glue a little bit here. Should have been 6 months worth of pressure on my eye to hold the retina in place. And after 2.5 weeks, it let go again. So they need to do something that's as strong as the scar tissue people make, I'll tell you that, because it's strong enough to pull it away. So he did give me an option. He said that people some people, when they reach this point, say, you know what, I'm not going to go through it again, and they just leave it, and ultimately lose the sight. But I was not quite ready to give that up yet. So to give up for me that easily. It's going to be painful. I know it. There's going to be a lot of swelling. With the last one, my eyelid swelled, my upper lid swelled up, or I should say over my eye, and rested on the top of my cheekbone. And I still had to try to get drops in my eyes. So it was very painful, and having to sleep with my head down as much as I could, and things like that. It was pretty difficult. So I know what to expect as far as all the post-op stuff is concerned. It's the outcome. He does tell me that every time they have to do surgery, it decreases the, oh good gravy, sorry, that's my eye. It decreases the quality of my vision if it does actually take. So this has got to go over a little bit more. Came uneven. I like to have my pockets, it still has to go over a little bit more. I think I have the other pocket wrong, but that's okay. I can fix that. I like to have them come over just a little bit on the library pocket, like that. So I'm going to bring this edge out a little more. So maybe not. Because I'm sitting here thinking I cut the paper for this one. I cut them for each one because, it's never even. So this might be a little, no, you know what, it'll be fine. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, I just like the overhang a little bit. So, but anyway, so this is what he's telling me. If it does actually work this time and the retina stays attached, the quality of my vision is likely to be very poor. Every time they go in and play with the retina, it becomes less and less perfect, I guess. But I'm hoping for a miracle. I tell my husband my bigger concern is if the doctor's telling me that this is age that is causing the detached retina, and you know what, I wouldn't care as long as when they would do the surgery, it actually would fix it. But I'm creating complications, which neither the doctor nor I can control. It's just what my body is doing. So, if I had a detached retina and, hanging over here a little bit, if I had a detached retina and, I know why, come out here, because that came back out again. And they fixed it, and that was that, and there's no problem, then that's great, that's fine. But I am having these extra problems. I don't know, I think that's a pencil mark, yep. I'm having these extra problems. You know what, I can just glue these. Might as well just glue them down while I'm here, right? Creating the scar tissue and making all these extra complications. So my big worry is that, I told my sister, I said, he tells me it's age that's causing it. It's like, well, my left eye is as old as my right eye. So, I'm a little concerned about that. So I think I'll put this on the thing. I'm probably better off with the other glue. So I'm just a little concerned about that. That this same kind of thing could happen with my left eye. Now, if I get a retinal detachment in my left eye someday, and they fix it, and the scar tissue doesn't pull it away, that's fine. But I'm worried that that's not going to be the case one day, and I may have complications. So that's my bigger worry right now, and I don't know, we'll just have to see. So this is where I am. So if you are into praying and Want to offer up a prayer for me tomorrow if you think of me about 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time here in the U.S. I would certainly appreciate it if you want to just send your hugs and healing energy my way. I will take whatever I can get, because it's a frightening thing, a very, very frightening thing. So, yeah. So that is where I am with this at the moment. Oh, you know what? I knew why I didn't do that. I didn't do it because I wanted to ink it. So, let's get a piece of paper here. Just stick that down here, and let's try inking what I should have inked before. Yeah, so that is my dilemma at the moment. So I just wanted to give everybody an update about what is happening. It will probably be about 2 weeks before I feel comfortable again to be able to, well, I'll probably be able to pick my head up before then, but with the last surgery, I felt like I had a brush in my eye. Now I'm thinking that was from stitches and the buckle that they put around my eye that was causing that feeling. So I don't know. I don't know if this is going to be as painful as it was last time, or if it's going to be a little easier. I'm not really sure. But that is where I am at the moment. My husband is beckoning me because our pizza stuff has arrived. So I'll need to cut this short, and soon as I can, I will be back to give you an update of where I am and how I'm feeling and what my prognosis looks like. And let's just hope and pray that I won't completely lose my sight, and even more so, hope and pray that my left eye will never give me an issue. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you all for, sending your support and your lovely messages, and, caring about me and praying for me. You guys really, truly mean the world to me. And I am just thrilled that you are all my subbies and that you are all my friends. So in the meantime, guys, take care, be blessed, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. I won't be gone long. Bye-bye for now.